Upside down dried out aloe ferox leaves which the sea washed ashore. Why nature? Let's go paddle boarding, they said. The security system, striking at crime, one lock at a time. Don't know whether to put the drying clothes back inside or repent from my sins. Asperitas clouds, Gorham, New Hampshire. These clouds that look like the ocean. I saw some ants carrying a glove up a lamp. Gators at night in Florida. Sioux Falls, South Dakota turned green, no filter, during a huge storm tonight. Was mowing the lawn and discovered this absolute unit of a stick insect, 35 cm. Was told to post him here. Just casually chilling in our beach house bathroom. I keep my duck eggs in my pantry and heard a lot of commotion in there and found this. Look at this turtle. It surfaced by the boat. Giant male Dobson fly. Mother centipede hugging her babies. This banana blossom. You don't see this every day, a catfish eating an armadillo. The horrific mouth of a lamprey, blood-sucking parasite. This one was over 120 centimeters, 47, long and as thick as a man's arm. The snapdragon flower when it dies. At a nature park, we decided to go to a bird show. The young boy in the green kept pulling his zipper up and down. The wedge-tailed eagle did not like it. A spider came back to molt in the same place on a book 4 times. Crack near where I live. Tarantula infected with Cordyceps. It has the body of a spider and wings of a moth. Northeast Oklahoma, fat moth or butterfly, flying tarantula. Wasps emerging from a statue. The new child safety latch is working a treat.